I'm Squadron Leader David Montenegro, Red 1. Welcome to the Royal Air Force Association's Red Arrows Flight Simulator. Today you will be flying with the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Display Team, the Red Arrows. Please keep your arms and legs away from the doors at all times. You may experience some sudden movements during the display, so please remain upright in your seats and hold on to the safety rails. In the event of an emergency, there is a stop button above your head. Now hold on tight and welcome to our world.
Tower Red Arrows request taxi for runway 05. Red's rolling. Now. 80 knots, 90, 100, nose wheel. All 9 jets airborne on the display takeoff. 500 feet now ready. Roll, go for the twister. Up over the top. And back down, 0 G to accelerate. 350 knots. Back to the top. Taking that speed. Rolling down, ready to spin.
Can you stop twisting it?
Go. 90 degrees of bank, pull 6G. There's heading 164 ready for 270 degrees down. Roll. Go. Visual with synchro. Smoke on. Go. 180 degree inverted roll. Go. And roll. Go. Bit of buffing with a course. Touch of power. Up over the top. Flick it over again. Number 2. And for the last time, 3, maintaining 350 knots. Smoke's on, closing now at 740 knots for the 4-point roll. Roll, go! Pitcher, roll, right rudder, roll, push, roll, left rudder, roll out. Pitching clear to the right, up and through 90 degrees at 6G. Leveling out 500 feet, 330 knots. Setting up now at 100 feet over the runway, smoke is on. Down the line. Lining up for carousels, smoke on. Turn, pull, straight to 6G. Maintaining 100 feet to the jet wash, little bit of buffet. Pitching up left through 90, leveling out to 500 feet, 330 knots. Smoke on, go! Into line astern. 300 feet. Back to back right. Using my left foot now for rudder, squeezing out to touch of power. Stabilize. Line astern formation, maintaining 350 knots. Reverse back, go! Rapid input left and move out to the left hand side. Dip there, lining up the wingtip on the nose. Another squeeze of power, tightening, a little bit more G. Leveling out at 300 feet. Smoke on, go for final manoeuvre, closing speed 700 knots, and pull. Tower Red 7, final approach, runway 05, 120 knots. And touchdown. Nose wheel down, 100 knots. Touch of brake.
We hope you enjoy flying with the Red Arrows.